Today we take a look at this Apple Watch strap from Supcase. It's a Unicorn Beetle Pro, crystal jelly-like. If you've seen those Casio watches knocking about that look really cool and it's impossible to get your hands on one, then this sort of emulates that look with the Apple Watch, which is super awesome. So we're taking a look at this today. Is it good enough to purchase? Do I recommend it? And am I going to switch to this from my normal Apple Watch strap? Let's see. First impressions are good. The build quality is good. The plastic is nice and rubbery and soft. It's relatively thick as well, so it feels well made. It's got metal buckles as well, apart from the plastic strap tidy that's on the strap as well to tidy those straps up when it's around your wrist. Plenty of adjustment holes there for all sizes, and this is for the Apple Watch Series 6, which is one I've got. Peter McKinnon was wearing those G-Shock watches over the summer and they had this kind of crystally look to them. Looks really nice. They do these in different colours, different designs as well, so I'll link them in the description down below, and those will be affiliate links if you do buy. That helps this channel grow, but it doesn't cost you anymore, so appreciate it. Right, let's get the watch on here. I'm going to take my Apple Watch navy strap that I've had on here for ages, the Sport Band. I've got the Series 6 at the moment. Didn't upgrade to the 7, didn't really feel the need to upgrade to the 7 this year. The screen is just slightly bigger and that's pretty much it. Yeah, if you want to, they do this in the Series 7. So I've got the blue, midnight blue Series 6, which I love. I love the Apple Watch. I've had 3 generations of it so far. I don't think I could live without it. I say that, but I probably could. But it's just one of those things that I put on every morning. The first thing I put on when I wake up is my Apple Watch. So this is relatively easy to get in there. It fits in. Okay, there we go. It's on there. It looks cool. I do like this. If you can hear the jingling, I'm sorry, but it is that metal strap, metal buckle there, which is a good feature. It's not plastic. It's just adds that nice silver accent to the strap as well. So okay, let's get it on, see what it feels like. Is it easy to put on? Still relatively stiff when you're putting it around your wrist, so a little bit caggy-handed when it comes to putting watch straps on, but it's got that double pin security as well, so it's not just one pin, it's a double pin, which is cool. So there it is. It's on the... It feels good, actually. It feels comfortable. It feels light. It's not too sticky. I would imagine, though, if you were wearing it for long periods of time, that if you're working out in this, for instance, it probably would get a little bit sweaty under there. I think it looks really cool, though. It's got this sort of murky colour to it. I think I prefer like a silver crystal white clear plastic. I couldn't find one at the time of purchasing this, but it feels really good, and it's obviously going to protect your Apple Watch a little bit more from bumps and drops and scrapes and stuff. It's got quite a big lip over the screen here, so still easy to use. Your watch is still okay to use, press buttons and everything. You still use Apple Pay with a double click on the side. Initial impressions, really good. So I'm going to be testing this and wearing this over the next couple of weeks, and I'll do sort of a follow-up video to let you know what it's like and if I would fully recommend it after a couple of weeks. It fits well, it feels good quality, and while we're on the case of Apple Watch straps, I've got some more from a company called Amband, they look really unusual, and we're going to test those out in a future video. So if you're not subscribed already, please make sure that you do subscribe down below. Give this video a like, it really does help me and the channel grow, and yeah, press a bell as well. That's the other thing, isn't it? Press a bell. That's it for this video. If you're looking for a different kind of watch strap for your Apple Watch, then maybe this could be the one for you. It's very different. It looks super cool, and like I said, I'll let you know how I get on with it over the next couple of weeks, but first impressions are it's a really nice, well-made strap for your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.